What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you on how to easily install a PS5 sticker or PS5 skin. And there's a lot of websites to choose from. So stick around and I will show you where to get it and how much and what are the options that you can choose from. I got my PS5 skin from AliExpress. It was around $15 Singapore dollars, and it also comes with two DualSense sticker. Properly clean your PS5 to remove any unwanted dirts. You need to have a girl or your wife to do it for you. That is the secret. First that you need to do is to peel out a section of the sticker and then fold it in, making sure that it's on a straight fold, and then align it into the PlayStation logo or into the edge of your faceplate. Paste it slowly to avoid any unwanted bubbles. Once you are done, you can also do the same thing on the other side of your PS5. Next is the middle part of your PS5. Make sure that you wipe it first. So mine is 3 separate stickers, so we have to put it one by one as well. To complete the whole process is very easy, the bottom part. I won't be able to do this without my beautiful wife assistance. If you made a mistake or misaligned the sticker, it's not yet too late. Just peel it off slowly, and also you can use a cloth while you're pasting it to avoid some bubbles. Anyway, so that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe if you haven't. I have more tips and cool videos for you for every budget gamers like me. Alright guys, thank you so much.